Red Hot Mama. Sophie Turner showed of a new hair look while stepping out in New York City with hubby Joe Jonas and baby girl Willa. Sophie Turner, 25, looked fall-ready on Friday, October 1st as she revealed a red-hot look in New York City. The new mom strode around with husband, Joe Jonas, 32, and their baby daughter, 1-year-old Willa, after sharing lunch with her family, and showed off her fierce, red crimped hair, certainly more fiery than icy as the winter season approaches. The mother-father duo both dressed casual cool for the outing, with the Game of Thrones actress wearing light blue, loose-fitting ripped jeans and beige-colored Yeezy slides with socks. She paired the look with a cozy, bright-colored sweatshirt, with sherbet orange on the right side and heather grey on the left, the top also dotted with lime green hearts. The UK native's crimped red waves topped off the outfit, with a white pair of sunglasses on the actress' head and a small Louis Vuitton bag on her shoulder, a perfect mid-2000s throwback. Seen in the background was husband Joe and brother Nick Jonas, 29, who dutifully strolled along with baby Willa. Sophie and others in her group also kept face masks around their mouths to stay safe amidst the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Related gallery. Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner, photos of the gorgeous couple. The copper-colored mane is a change for the British actress, who is actually a natural blonde, as she revealed to Marie Claire in 2014. The new locks reflect everyone's favorite Queen of the North, aka Sansa Stark, who Sophie played in Game of Thrones and who rocked an auburn style for the show. Perhaps the young mom is missing her old character, or perhaps she's jumping on the copper craze as of late, as Vogue magazine recently reported how the hashtag #CopperHair hashtag has taken off on TikTok with over 25 million views. Everyone always wants to make a statement after something big has happened, Victoria Hunter, colorist and co-owner of New York City's Whitmore House Salon, told the outlet. Hair is a natural thing that people go to on an emotional level. Of course, something big that's happened has been the pandemic, but for Sophie, that was also welcoming daughter Willa in July 2020, just over a year after tying the knot with hubby Joe in France. That lavish affair was actually the second time the lovebirds said "I do," as they initially made it official on May 1, 2019 in a surprise Las Vegas ceremony.